So now we're going to talk about soups. There's something always very comforting and familiar about soups. Most of us have been used to having them, and now we're just going to show you how to make them even more interesting and healthy. It's a great additional thing to add to a meal. Soups can be added with a salad. They can also be added with the main meal. In fact, if a soup is hearty enough and has a lot of interesting vegetables and combinations, you can also have it as a meal replacer. I'm going to be showing you two soup recipes, one being a cooked soup and another one being a raw soup. So even on a hot summer day, you can make a cold soup. And I know for many people, the idea of cold and soup together may not really make sense, but it's a great way to have a soup because it not only nourishes you, it cools you down, and you've got half of your meal done. So let's begin with the cold soup. So here we begin with the cold cucumber soup. I'll go over the ingredients: cucumbers, apple, dates, some basil leaves. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, for that matter any other nut milk, or even an avocado. This gets all the good fats into our soup. Lemon juice, garlic, spring onion, just the stalks we've taken, and some chili flakes. A word about the sweeteners. Ideally, it's better not to mix fruits and vegetables or dry fruits, but as we're just starting off, we are using this as an exception to sweeten the soup slightly. So let's begin. All this just goes straight into the blender. So in goes the cucumbers and the apple, some dates, de-seeded of course, few basil leaves, garlic, greens of the spring onions, chili flakes, and our good fat. And just to thin it down, we add some water. Not too much. We can always add water later if we need to. Our soup is now well blended. At this stage, we can add the salt as per taste and our lemon juice, which we hadn't added so far. So as you can see, the soup is ready, and the best part about soups is we don't strain them, so we get all the good fiber in. So we'll now pour this in. And for garnishing, we have a few options. We're going to add chopped cucumber. You can use any bell pepper, red, yellow, or green. Some slivered almonds. And our dish is ready. Feel free to experiment with garnishes. There's no hard and fast rule. And you can also shred some basil leaves with your fingers. It is believed that when you cut leaves vis-a-vis when you break them with your hand, it does something to the flavor. So try it out. Enjoy this cold soup on a hot day so you don't have to miss out on a soup just because it's hot.